Hi, I'm Jason Hed and welcome to my new tutorial, how we made Jason Hed and Todd Terry We Get Down. Todd is a legend in house music, one of the original, producers for me that inspired me to make house music. Well known for his kind of hip house and everything else. The key to this record is finding samples which made me feel that it was an old school house kind of record. Sample choice is everything, and good quality hits. Put them in your sampler, playing in melodies, starting off with the lead, which is the piano, using the M1, and then building around that. I'm very excited about it. It's on the amazing Jackie's Recordings, which is, for me, a really solid label. I'm Jason Hed, thank you very much for listening. If you like, go out and buy this record. I'd be very, very grateful.